Type in your browser address bar columbiabasin.edu/netprint. The official NetPrint information page appears. Click on the NetPrint link at the top. It's a good idea to bookmark this link on your laptop browser for quick access later. Your NetPrint login is the same as your Wi-Fi login, which is your CBC email username. I'm going to log in using a test account, and the password should be your CBC email password. Once you log in, you should see $12 in your account balance. To print, first save the document that you want to print and close it. As of September 2023, there are 5 types of files that are supported: Word, Excel, PDF, picture files, and XPS. Notice that PowerPoint is not supported. You will need to save your PowerPoint files to PDF files before uploading. The next short video on this playlist will show you how to do that. Click on Web Print in the menu on the left. Then click on the green button, Submit a Job. Choose a printer that is closest to where you are. I'm going to choose G1111, which is one of the printers in the Health Sciences Library on the Richmond campus. All jobs sent to the black and white printers would print double-sided, while documents sent to the color printers would be printed single-sided by default. There is no option to change this for web print. Then scroll down and follow the green buttons for the next steps. I'll click 2, Print Options and Account Selection. I would recommend print one copy first to make sure everything looks right before printing multiple copies. So I click on 3, Upload Documents. Now either click on Upload from Computer or drag files to the area. You can upload multiple documents at the same time. I'm clicking on Upload from Computer and then choose a file from the desktop. Click on Open and then choose Upload and Complete. It would take a few seconds and I can see the status is rendering job. And now I see the green held in a queue link and that it's going to cost 3 cents. Click on held in a queue and you'll need to either click on print or cancel. Documents are held in a queue to allow cancellations. It also allows users to submit multiple print jobs and release them when ready to go collect them from the printer. And that's it. Remember to log out when you're all done. Click on your username on the top right corner. Then click on Log Out. If you use up your $12, you can add money to your account by purchasing a NetPrint card in $3 increment at the library front desks. Leftover balance from the purchased NetPrint cards will carry over to the next quarter. I hope this answers all your questions regarding NetPrint. Thank you.